my seasonal tree. I put these cute, sweet little, I ordered them online, these little hearts. I just went on their hearts for decorating, and these came up. They're silver, silver, pink, like a real light pink, a shiny silver. Sorry, I'm all over the place here. And then a matte silver, like I said, the red and the shiny and matte. And then I put rose petals. I got those from Hobby Lobby. And this is a this particular ornament I got for Christmas one year from one of my friends. In fact, it's one of my neighbors, and I put it on this tree. I just loved it. Thought it looked cute on here. But I just want to show you, this is my half tree that's in the corner of my dining room, and it's sort of next to the table my dining table that I was in the last video. So just wanted to show you this real quick. I hope you enjoy it. If you've got a half tree or a tree that you can decorate, there's nothing wrong with it. The next time you'll see it, it will either be the St. Patty's or Easter. I'm trying to figure out which I want to do. But I do love it's a half tree. It fits right in the corner. These lights are on it at night. It's really, really pretty. The LED lights. And I got those at Costco about 6 years ago, by the way. So they have really lasted. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this tree. I'm going to back out just a little bit. You're going to see, you might have a reflection, but you can see there's my tree for my season for Valentine's. Hope you guys have a great day. Happy day. Be kind. Be kinder than they are. Don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back. And I love you until tomorrow.